Want to know how to use Lumafusion 4.0 sound isolation? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the sound isolation as a lifesaver for your next video. This feature is not a substitute for bad audio recording. Have to get that out of your head, okay? Good audio is always valued. If you have a bad audio, there's no amount of hard work that can try to fix it. GIGO, in computer language, they have GIGO, okay? Garbage in, garbage out. Right now, I have a audio source that's ahead of me, okay, out of the frame, but I still have a good audio source. There's might be background and stuff like that going around me, but the main audio source still here, still good. I still have a microphone with me. So good audio is hard to record, but nowadays, with Lumafusion sound isolation, it can make it sound better. So start with a good audio source, then this new feature make it more better. It sweetens the deals, okay? Put honey or a cherry on top of the cake. Now where can this situation really help with your audio? I have done a lot of tests, okay? I've done 2 videos and done 4 tests to see what situation you can play with it, okay, to make it work. The one that really bother a lot of YouTube content creators is what? Copyright music, right? Once you have a copyright strike, that's it, yeah? Video ruined, okay? The time, the effort to make that video, gone, okay? But now with the Lumafusion isolation, you can save your video. Whew. That is the most important thing I want to put for you right there, okay? I'm gonna go to Lumafusion now to show you the process, okay? How crazy this new feature is. I've done a lot of tests and this really blew my mind, okay? Game changer for a content creator. Now this is the audio I've done, okay? So let's play and hope you can hear. Hi, this is the TimelapseNuts again. This is another test where I have the music playing in the background and my voice doing the talking, okay? So right now, okay, that's roughly, there's the music playing roughly, okay? But once I've done the sound isolation, magic. You could not hear the background music. Okay, let me play. Number 2. Okay. Alright, this is the TimelapseNuts again. This is another test where I have the music playing in the background and my voice doing the talking. Okay. So right now, you hear the result, right? Now let's go to the actual mechanic of it. How you can assess the audio. Okay, double tap on the audio. So the clip right here, right? Double tap on it. I have the isolation on already. Okay, so but if you couldn't find it, where is it? Third option right here, right? Go down. Sound isolation right there. A person with a face, yeah, talking. Right there is your new sound isolation. Third option, sound isolation. Right here is the option, okay? There's only sound to isolate, voice, okay? Okay, wet and dry mix, okay? Basically, 100% right here is isolate your voice only. That's dry, okay? 0%, you let the ambience in. Okay, let me play. Actually royalty free, but imagine you are in a pub and you are talking candy. Okay, right now I can hear some background music, okay? But if I go to 100% sound isolation, isolate. Okay, let me be quiet so you can hear the music. Okay, then you will not hear the sound. Now, can the actual, okay, roughly the idea, okay? Another way you can edit this is the next one, okay? So right now I have no sound and this one is sound, okay? So let me play a few minutes of this. The actual, the background noise that are currently right now as well, concurrent that I'm talking right now, but I can hear the background, okay? That was with a voice, background voice, okay? I have done the test, check the video out as well, okay? The test video, link down in the description below if you want to check it out. Now let's play. Okay. So, can Lumafusion sound isolation, eliminate this. Okay, it's very annoying. Okay, I understand. Okay, but this is check the video out. Okay, but how I edit this only one track. I didn't do a cut. Okay, what I did was I did a keyframe sound isolation. I have all these keyframes right here. Right, here is normal. Okay, no sound isolation. Then there's sound isolation. Okay, let me look at this. 0%. Okay, from here to here is 0%. From here, there's 100%. Okay, so 100% cut usage of sound isolation. Okay, then back to no sound, so wet over here on the right, 0%. Okay, so let the ambient sound come in. That's another way you can edit. Okay, use keyframe to edit your mix, make it more dynamic. But usually, what I do nowadays, I just drop this in. Okay, sound isolation for any audio that I want is my main track. I don't want any sound distraction at all, unless I want to let that happen. But this is my default from now on. Okay, any main audio track that I use for talking head like this, I will put this on along with the EQ. That is how I do this, how I use sound isolation to make the sound better. This new feature is very powerful, very powerful. It can save a lot of people a lot of headaches. Imagine a YouTuber going to a bar and there's a background music playing. Copyright strike, can't use the product, can't use the video, can't use the audio. Or if you do a talking head, right, and there's people chatting around, go to shopping center, people chatting, you have to shout out. Thank God for Lumafusion sound isolation. One tap, heaven, sounds so perfect. From now on, one tap, sound isolation, you know what to do. It will eliminate sound distraction. This new feature, I reckon, is worth more than the actual cost of the price of the app. $30 for the app, and you have this feature? Come on. Well done again. Lumafusion team, well done. I'm gonna use this from now on. Thank you. Game changer for most people. Game changer. If you're an Android guys, I don't know when 2.7, 2.3 will catch up to 4.0. My suggestion, if you're a serious video editor, switch, get an iPad Air 4, refurbished, second hand, then you can play with a better video app. Are you new to video editing on the iPad? Check out my video, my playlist. There's a lot of tutorial there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.